Let me show you how to make Snoopy's doghouse and use it as an outdoor decoration for Christmas. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay guys, the first thing I did was find this iconic picture of Snoopy. Just love it. Since I don't have a projector, I'll be using the grid method to draw on a larger scale. It's a simple process where you break up the picture into smaller squares and draw only what's inside. Start at the top of your photo and measure the full length and find the center point. Do that on the top and bottom and connect them with a line. Next, you take the next section and divide it and repeat the process on both sides. Do as many of these as you need and then repeat the process going horizontally. You'll end up with a grid that will make it so much easier to complete the process of tracing. Now that the wood portion has been completed, we need to start priming it and getting it ready to paint. I chose black for the back, but it can be any color that you wish. For the front, I went with a white primer first to make sure that the colors would really pop. Next, I followed that up with a bright red. Notice here that I taped off Snoopy to protect the white. You can even do a second coat of white on Snoopy if you wish. In order to stand Snoopy up in the yard, I'm going to be adding 2 wooden stiles to the back. The stiles are 1 inch thick. This will help with potential warping over the life of the board. Depending on the size, you might consider placing stiles vertically as well. I decided to use galvanized pipe straps and fasten them with 3/4 inch screws. They are the perfect size to thread over rebar that will hold it securely throughout the season.
bum, bum.